Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is basely.com. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. And I can also provide all the websites URL in the description section. So where you guys will access easily that this would be the easy and the convenient for you guys to you can access easily. And if we can before the started we can do some research. So according to acharya the domain rating is 49, and according to moj they don't have enough data, so that's why we are not able to track this website exact data. So now we can start. So first thing, you guys will click on the sign up button. Okay, and there we can create our account. So there we can consider to there creating account. While you guys will consider I made the mistake while communicating. So okay, so now I can start. So while creating the profile, you can consider to create a your person profile. Okay, so James Bolden, the email address, and there I can choose my password. There you can resubmit your password, and you can select any of these, acknowledge the terms and condition, click on the register button. Yeah, so here it is. Our account is successfully created. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. Now the time is to you guys will click on the add listing button. Select the free plan, scroll something, and this is your listing dashboard. So first we can select the category. So our category is a recruitment industry. So the our category is employment, and there we can put our title. So our main title is, so let me use this Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform streamline hiring globally. Yeah, so I can use this title. There we can add our short description. So while adding the short description, Jobma video interview software, anonymous human discussion making in hiring, and yeah, so let me use this interview better and the faster with AI. So let me use those, and there we can add our long description. So long description should be this. So Jobma, the next content is this, and this is the last. This is a long description, and then we can add our organization name. So this is a Jobma, and there we can select our address. So state is Minnesota. State is Minnesota, Minnesota. Minnesota, and There I can add my address. There we can select the our city, Mendonca. Mendonca, and this is the postal code. And if you wanting, you can include your latitude and the longitude as well. There you guys will add your opening and the closing hours. There you guys will add your contact number. There you can add your sales email, which email you wanting to display in your business listing. So I can use my sales email here, and there you guys will add your social channels, and there you can also attach some attachment. So I can prefer to attach a logo. So this is the company logo, and after that you can click on the submit listing once you verify your all details. Yeah, so our listing is submitted. So after that we can click on the return to your my account page, and you can click on the listing button, and you will see this is your listing. If you wanting some any modification, so you can do modification from there, and if you wanting to delete, so you can. So now we can open the profile landing page URL, business landing page URL. So this is a listing landing page, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. Source connection, I guess there are some technical issue. So this is your listing backlink, this is your title, this is your company name, and this is a description. Yeah, so it's working perfectly. So overall, this is the process for the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go on to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, so you can okay, for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.